Now let's study types of sets. First one, what is given? Singleton set. As the name indicates, singleton means a set containing only one element is called as singleton set. See the definition. A set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. Now see the example. It will be very clear. Now see the example. A is the set of even prime number. What is asked you? There is a set which is called as A. It is a set of even prime numbers. Now you know only one is the even prime number, and that is what? 2. So according to the question, how many elements you are getting? Only one element. So that is why this is which type of set? Singleton set. Now empty set or null set. Empty set is also called as null set. Now see, as the name indicates, empty means if there is no element in the set, then that type of set is called as empty set. So if there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called a null set or an empty set. Null set is represented by like this, means you have to make only the curly bracket. As there is no element in the set, it becomes empty. So, or a symbol phi. This symbol is called as phi. Phi means empty. Okay. So now see the example. B. X such that X is natural number between 2 and 3. Now is there any natural number between 2 and 3? After 2, 3 is only there. So are you getting any natural number between 2 and 3? No. So that set is what? Empty. Or you can write phi. There are so many examples of this, as you can write that B is the set of X such that X is natural number between 4 and 5. So between 4 and 5 also there is no natural number, so it becomes empty. Now finite set. You know finite means what? The number of elements which you can count or countable. Okay. See, if a set is a null set, remember this also, if it is a null set or number of elements are limited and countable, then it is called as finite set. Okay. Now see the example. C is the set of P such that P is a number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. Means there are numbers from 1 to 22 which are divisible by 4. So which are the numbers from 1 to 22 which are divisible by 4? 4. Okay. After that 5 is, can we divide 5 by 4? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? Yes. 8 is divisible by 4. In this way 12 is also divisible by 4. So from 1 to 22, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay. Now is it uncountable? No. You can count it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way you can count. It is limited. So that type of set is called as finite set. Now you see infinite. Infinite means unlimited or uncountable. Okay. See now. If number of elements in a set is unlimited and uncountable, then the set is called infinite set. See children, natural number. You know natural numbers are uncountable. 2, 3 numbers you will write and then dot dot dot. The dot 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 what does it show? It shows that they are uncountable or infinite. Okay. So natural numbers are infinite. In this way you know how many or what other sets are there which are infinite. Whole number is also infinite. Integers also infinite. Rational number also, and all the real numbers also are infinite. So remember, these are the types of sets. Read the definition, and all the definitions are very easy. Based on this, the next exercise is there. Okay, so the next exercise is based on, you have to just based on these types of sets, you have to just identify whether it is singleton, whether it is empty, finite or infinite. You have to just read the condition according to the given condition in the question. Okay, I hope you understood all this. Now let's start the exercise which is based on this types of sets. Okay. Here see one more topic. Equal sets. Very easy. Equal set means two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. Now see, this is an example of equal sets. This is A is the set of X such that X is a letter of the word listen, L-I-S-T-E-N. Now remember children, every rule, the set written in rule method, you have to convert into listing form always first. Okay. So according to the question, L, S, T, E, N. These are the letters of the word listen. Now B, Y such that Y is a letter of the word silent. Again S-I-L-E-N-T. Now observe these two elements. S is there, here also S. I is there, here also I. L is there, here. Only the order is changed. Okay. So it means all the elements of A belongs to B and all the elements of B belongs to A. So we can say that therefore set A and B are what? Equal. Set A and B are what? Equal. Now let's start with the exercise 1.2. Question number 1. See your textbook. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify. Means if the sets are equal, give the reason. If the sets are not equal, then also you have to give the reason. In the question, you have given the set A, set B and set C. I have written here direct in the solution. First, you will write the set which is given in the form which is in whatever the form it is given. Okay. So A is equal to what written? X such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now this is the condition given. It means you have to find the value of x. Now see, so you have to convert this into listing form. So first you will simplify this. You know, if 3x minus 1 is equal to 2, simplify. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. 3x is equal to 3 and x is equal to what? 3 by 3, that is 1. Okay, children, this is not your rough work. Okay, now it means when you solve this condition, what you got? X is equal to 1. Okay, give it number 1. Now see the second one. B is the set of X such that X is a natural number but X is neither prime nor composite. And you know very well that which number is neither prime nor composite? 1. So convert this into listing. What you will get? 1. So 1 is the element which is neither prime nor composite. Now let's go to the third one. C is the set of X such that X belongs to natural number and this X is what? Less than 2. So you have to write the element which satisfies this condition. Okay, what is said that X belongs to natural number and you know natural number starts from 1 and here it is written that X should be less than 2. So what will be the element? 1 only, and this is number 2 and this is number 3. So what you can observe from 1, 2 and 3, there is a single element in all the sets. So question was decide which of the following are equal sets. So which of these are equal sets? Here all the elements of A, B and C are equal. So it means from 1, 2 and 3 you will write from 1, 2 and 3 set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. And what is the reason? As the elements of set A, B and C are same. It's same only now. As A equal to B equal to. Therefore, A is equal to B equal to C. Okay. So, A equal to B equal to C because number of elements is same. 1, 1 and 1. Now, your question number 2 is there. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. This also you can do. Okay. This is your homework. Now, let's move to question number 3. Now see question number 3. Which of the following sets are empty sets and why? You have to give the reason also. Read the condition. A is equal to, A is the set of A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Now what he is saying that A is a natural number and that natural number is what is smaller than 0. Is there any natural number which is smaller than 0? No, because the natural number starts from 1 only. So is there 0? No. So it means first you will write this question and then you will convert into listing form. So as there is no element less than 0, so this will be what? Empty. Okay, or what you will write, it is what? 5. What is the symbol? Called as 5. and you have to give the reason. What will be the reason? Because there is no natural number smaller than 0. This you have to write. Now see second one, b is equal to x such that x square is equal to 0. Now you know children, if x square is equal to 0, so x is equal to what? 0. Okay, so what? 0 is also an element. We are getting an element. 0 is an element. So is this empty? No, this set is not empty. Okay, now see the third one. C is the set of x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, and this x belongs to natural number. So first we will solve this 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what will be there? 5x is equal to 2, and x is equal to what we are getting? 2 by 5. Now you are getting x is equal to 2 by 5, and the condition is what? That this x belongs to natural number. So is this 2 by 5 belongs to natural number? No. So as this x does not belongs to natural number, so this is which type of set? This is also an empty set. So you will write C is what? C is also an empty set. Now see question number 4. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. You have to write whether the sets are finite or infinite. Just you have to write and give the reason. As here x is such that x is less than 10, x is a natural number. So convert this into listing form. Okay, and then you decide whether it is finite or infinite. So as it is mentioned x is less than 10, so it is a finite. Now next is what? These are cancelled. Okay, these 4 5s. B, C. Y such that y is less than minus 1 and y is an integer. Okay, so this y is an integer. Read the condition carefully, convert into listing form and write the answer. Y is less than minus 1 and y is an integer. Now you know what are the integers less than minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on, dot 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 dot. So first you will write into roster form, and as you can see they are infinite. So these integers are uncountable. So B is what? Infinite set. So in this way we have completed our exercise 1.2. I hope you understood whatever we have studied today. Okay, so revise it, revise the definition, what are the types of sets, then 1.2 exercise become very easy. Parallelly we will go with the problem set also. Whatever we have studied till now, the sums based on that also you can write. See problem set 1, MCQs you see. In MCQs based on these types of sets and all, you can write this second one. Okay, convert this in the roster form. Second you can write third also. Okay, and again this also done, we have done. This, which of the following sets are empty set? Okay, this you have to find that which one is empty set. This question also you can do, and again find the correct option for the given question. Which of the following collection is a set? Colors of the rainbow, tall trees in the school campus and all that. So means this also you can do, and again third one also you can write. So this many you can complete till now whatever we have studied. So I hope you understood all this. Do your homework regularly. Have a nice day. Thank you.